We hike afternoon. It's nice, quiet evening. Beauty of the woody mushrooms. Water on the surface of this mushroom. It's nice to make a photo of this mushroom. I love this place too. It's very nice smell. Enjoy your